So 2020 overall has been really, really tough, not just COVID. I think we started with bushfires, we had some floods.
It's become quite a strange world, but we're all adapting to it and learning as we go.
The biggest impact for me during this time is obviously not being able to be close with my loved ones. I used to see my mum maybe 2-3 times a week. Probably in the last 5 months I've seen her about 4 times.
So you're definitely aware of how close you are to people and making sure that you do social distance because it is important.
We use the hand sanitizer, it's available everywhere.
We monitor how many people are in the office, and we do have stickers on the floor to ensure the 1.5 metre social distancing. We're wiping down counters constantly after each customer comes in. Just like our cars, we make sure that everything is perfectly clean.
We still keep up with our regular cleaning routines that we've always been passionate about, but we're going the extra step now. We are cleaning high touch points with an alcohol-based solution. And then to reassure our customers, we've got a nifty little window hanger. We just stick up to let them know that the car has been cleaned to a really high standard.
In these unprecedented times, if your journey changes or things change or the borders open up, whatever happens in the world, Thrifty is ready to facilitate that process for you.
So I had a holiday booked in May, really excited, heading over to Europe, and it had to be cancelled. The process with cancelling with my operator was horrendous. Numerous phone calls, and it's got me a little bit nervous about when I book in the future and who I'm going to choose.
We're always happy to help our customers to reschedule their plans if they need to.
I think flexibility is the key at the moment when it comes to car rental and really creating that bespoke arrangement for that customer.
So we had this really great initiative, which is the Light Horse Initiative. This was the business's way of saying thank you to a lot of our frontline workers, and with that we were providing them free vehicles for a 30-day period, which is just our way of saying thank you to them and thank you for all the work that they were doing. So I was quite proud to be a part of that.
We're here for the community and our customers when you're ready for your next journey, great or small. We have safe and reliable vehicles here at Thrifty to help keep you going.